Good morning, everyone. I am K. Shilpa, Assistant Professor from Gokaraja Rangaraju College of Pharmacy. I am going to give you a brief note on sedatives and hypnotics. Coming to the learning outcomes of our lecture. So, you will be able to understand what are sedatives, next, classification of hypnotics, and thirdly, we are going to explain the mechanism of benzodiazepines using animation. So from this PowerPoint video, we'll be understanding in detail how benzodiazepines will be acting in our body. Few terms are used in this lecture. So firstly, let us know what is a sedative. Sedative is an agent which exerts calming effect, or simply it is an anxiolytic. It causes a dose-dependent depression of CNS function. And lastly, it induces sedation, that is nothing but a sleep, and unconsciousness with increasing dose. Coming to the next term, that is hypnotic. Hypnotic is an agent that increases likelihood of sleep onset and maintenance of sleep. So these two terms are commonly used in this topic. Next, coming to the classification of hypnotic drugs. Hypnotic drugs are mainly classified into three different categories. First one, benzodiazepines. Second, barbiturates. Third, miscellaneous category. Coming to benzodiazepines, most commonly seen benzodiazepines acting as hypnotic drugs are diazepam, oxazepam. Next, examples for barbiturates are phenobarbital, amobarbitol. Third category, which is miscellaneous, non-benzodiazepines or non-barbiturate drugs are included. Examples, zolpidem and zolpidem. Let us study in detail about the benzodiazepines mechanism. The mechanism of action of benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines, when administered into our body, they will bind to GABA receptor, which facilitates GABA action. Benzodiazepines thus increase frequency of opening of chloride channels, which finally results in membrane hyperpolarization, which results finally in the depression of central nervous system. So these are the step-by-step process involved in the mechanism of benzodiazepines. Now, so coming to the mechanism of action, take a pause and try to draw the pictorial representation of the receptor and the mechanism of benzodiazepine binding to the receptor. After putting on the paper, play the video. Here it is given as extracellular site of GABA receptor. These are the chloride ions in general which are present in our body, and this is the receptor present in our body. Next, in general, no chlorine influx is present when GABA is not binding to the receptor. Whenever in the next step GABA if binds to the receptor, it causes the chlorine influx due to binding of GABA to the receptor. In the third step, when we administer benzodiazepine, here is a drug, our drug benzodiazepine, it is binding to the GABA, which itself is binded to the receptor, which increases the influx of chlorine due to binding of benzodiazepine and GABA to the receptor. As there is an increased influx of chlorine channels, thus it results in membrane hyperpolarization, which finally results in the depression of CNS. Due to depression of CNS, it induces sleep, which is the resultant of our sedative and hypnotic drug. So from the video, we are able to understand what is a sedative, what is a hypnotic, what is the classification of hypnotic drugs, and among all the three different categories, the important mechanism of benzodiazepines is understood through the animation. Thank you.